hit the club and dance like a stripper.
Loyalty Entertainment pledges to stay sucker-free at all times and keep lacing you with the hottest shows, concerts, parties, new music, and more. For details, log on now to LoyaltyTulsa.com.
Yo, this Emmy, who is me, same name as the Twitter, Mr. Make 'em Dance Like a Stripper. Head to Tulsa, Oklahoma, ready to make these girls hydraulics. Shout out to Loyalty NENT. You know, it's our first time in the city, so we finna get it. You know what I'm saying? Hayes Nightclub, the 22nd. Be there or be a square. I'm be live in concert. It's gonna be crazy.
Sponsored by Loyalty Entertainment.